Hello everyone, welcome to my CSS tutorial Pseudo classes. Today, what is Pseudo classes? Well, Pseudo classes we'll be using ever since the section of this tutorial of CSS tutorials. Well, Pseudo classes is used to style links, maybe when a link is visited, unvisited, or when you over it, or when it is active. So that's your classes. And then so as it's used to style an element quite alright, and it's also used to target an element and sort of. Let me show you some examples, then I will explain what it actually means. Though we have a lot of pseudo classes and a lot of pseudo elements, but the next tutorial I'm talking about the elements, and I will put some of the reference on my blog, so in case you need any of those. For pseudo classes, let's create. I will paste some code here, then I will explain the code. At the same time, I will write some. Okay. I create a div element. I name it class div1. Sally is a boy. I close the div element. Create another div2. Class element div2. Then Andrew or Paul is a boy. Is a good boy. Then I initialize good and initialize or Paul. Then I create another paragraph which I initialize this. So that's just what I did. Now I'll be creating another alpha tag here. Okay, let's put hash here. Then let's put, what should we put here? Let's put home. Yeah, I want to show you something. Okay. Alright. So one of the pseudo classes we use is when we are dealing with links. Like when dealing with links, maybe let's say when link is unvisited, you use link. Okay. Unvisited links, we give it a color of red. If that is actually going to work. So let's give it a color of white. Okay, that should be it. Okay, so this is what we are dealing with. The link, this is what we are dealing with, is unvisited links. Alright, so when a link is visited, the pseudo classes is this. You name the selector. The actual selector is then the property you want to use, then you specify the value. So then inside the curly bracket you have property and value selector, then you put the pseudo classes. You understand? So this is our selector, then you put this column before your pseudo classes. This is one of the pseudo classes link, then these are property and value. So it's simply this selector. Okay, put your pseudo class, and you set your, let me do that. Then you set your property value. That is pseudo class. So your selector first, then the pseudo class, then the property and the value you want to assign. So this is pseudo class. That's the syntax. Alright, so let's come down here and let's start the link again. This time around, let's start the link to be visited. Okay, visited links. What do you put? Let's change the background color to be green. Then let's change the color to be white. I might need to remove the first one. Okay, you see. This is visited links. Background color is green, and then the color of the text changed to white. Alright, let's remove this. Now the next one, let's talk about when you hover it, what do you want it to be displayed? when you hover, let's just copy this. When you hover it, let's want a color of blue. Then leave the text to be white. You can't even see it. Alright. Okay, when you hover it, let's change the color to be red and this to be black. Let's remove this. Oh, sorry. Over. Okay. Okay. We actually forgot the pseudo class. What is happening? Okay. I think something is happening to our HTML file. Something is definitely wrong. Okay. Thank God knows what is wrong with it. Anyway. So delete it, okay. The background color of red, color white, and close this. Now we move to the next one. When you hover, okay, background color of blue, color of red. What a nice combination. Alright, so let's see. What is wrong with this thing? Oh, so it's actually there. I get our color combination is bad, so it changed to blue. Alright, so that color changed to blue and it changed to red. Alright, so that is that. One thing I think we need to do is, let me show you okay, when it is active, let me show you active. You can use when it is active. Okay, I think you know all these. I've done all this in the last tutorial, so this should be difficult. When it is active, red and white. So that is about pseudo classes. Pseudo classes can also use for I'll show you how you over something. At the same time, let's create another HTML file. Let's remove this. Don't need this any longer. Okay. Let's look at this day. Let's target this day 1 and do some overing for day 1. Okay, so we are talking about class. Day 1. Okay, for day 1, let's say background color of green. Then color the text to be white. Then let's say padding. The padding of 20 pixels. Let's see. Okay, this is what I'm dealing with. And let's set the width to be 60%. Okay, so we do 60%. Even not as much. Let's put 30. Okay, it's not too much. Let's just put 20. Okay, I think that is okay. then font size to be 20, to be 15. That's smaller. Okay, now let's over the one. This is pseudo class, and background color to be what? Let's put red, and color of the text to be black. Okay, so that's how to use pseudo class with over. That's how to use pseudo class with over and the likes. Now let's do with these paragraphs. Let's do with this paragraph. Now let's do with this paragraph. Now Andrew or Paul is a boy. This is interlive. This is interlive. And Stone Addict is a nice boy. This is also interlive. Alright, so my point here is this. So what we need to do here is we want to start the first paragraph. How do we do that? This is the 2, right? This is the 2. Okay, now since we really have paragraphs, don't worry, let's remove the 2. Now how do we title the paragraph here? What do we need to do? This paragraph 1, right? Then we want to title the first paragraph. Instead of coming down here and putting a class or an ID here in order to actually title the first paragraph, there is something that we can do. Because if you want to title this and put a class ID here, let's say you want to title this interlive, are you going to put a class ID here as well? That's going to be cumbersome. So there's something you can do simply by using pseudo class. That's what pseudo class is for actually. So this is paragraph 1. What we need to do next is just put the title in the first paragraph, everything in the first paragraph. We want to color it, just put first child. First child is a pseudo class. First child is first child. Okay, so first child. Okay, now we put a color. Let's put blue color. So that's first child. Let's see. Okay, so the first child is actually turned to blue. What this means is the paragraph, all the paragraph we have here, or paragraph of each day, what we want to do with them is we only want to take the first child of this paragraph, the first paragraph, and we want to turn them to blue. This is what we talking about. So that's the pseudo class. Apart from this, let's say you want to type the last one, the last paragraph, and not the first paragraph. What can you do? Simply remove this first child and put last child. First child, last child, first child, last child. So we're going to try the last child. So that's that. So Steve or Job is a genius boy. That is the last child that we are adding color or style to. So if you want to use last child, you can use last type of. It works the same way. So apart from this, there is something else we can do here that I think is necessary. Instead of using, okay, let's continue with our first child. All right, so look at this. This is our first child, but or Paul, this is actually interlaced. Now we want to target all these paragraphs, but target all the interlaced words there. Bill or this or gate is interlaced, or jobs is interlaced. at it is a what? It's nice, but it also interlies. But if you look at this very well, this is interlies, this is interlies genius as well. So what can we do? There is something we can do to this. There's something you can simply do. Let's come down here. This is interlies with, right? Now when we now target this, let's put this space interlies this. What this means is this, that all the paragraphs, we are taking all the paragraphs here. Let me even show you. Let's save, remove. Okay. Save. Run. Okay. So what this means is that in the paragraph, in all this paragraph, then we are dealing with interlies. All the interlies in all the paragraph, which is the first interliation that we have, the first interlie words that we have, will be style. We're talking about paragraph, all the paragraph. Interlies means what? Interlies all the first child in all the paragraphs. That is why all this is interlies. If you remember, if you see this very well, these are all the interlies words in all the paragraph. They are the first interlies words in all the paragraph. The remaining ones are not interlies. Okay, that is that. So let's move this. Let me show you another one. Back to our normal. I have to say this another time, man. Okay, back to another one. Alright, I want to show you something too. This is first paragraph, this is paragraph, these are all the paragraph. But we now say here that we're dealing with only the first paragraph, add color blue. Now we want to interlies all the paragraph in the first paragraph, or we want to interlies the first paragraph, all the interlies words. How can we do this? This paragraph, all the paragraph, first child, that is, owns this paragraph. That is the first paragraph we were talking about here. Now interlies all these words you see in the first paragraph. Now let's turn it to blue. Let's put color red. Alright, let's see. Okay, if you realize very well, in Andrew, all the paragraph, all the interlies words in the first paragraph is being interlies. So that is that how to use this. So that is that about pseudo classes. We have so many references and about pseudo classes. If you actually need all this, I'm going to paste it on my blog. You have access to it. Like when you talk about the active, over, required, and the likes. Thank you for watching my tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. I'm talking about pseudo classes. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.